Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. Look what I made tonight. A nice Italian classic. Come on and try this recipe. I make it with a twist. You gotta try it. Let's start. All right, to make that recipe, first things we need is a half a pound of chopped meat. I have 2 packs of lasagna sheets. I have some ricotta, some parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella, 2 eggs, and I found some fresh mozzarella in the freezer, and I made some sauce. So let's rock and roll. Okay, first step, I threw some olive oil in a frying pan, heated it up. I'm gonna brown this meat and then let it cool for a little bit. All right, I have a 3-pound container of ricotta. Show you a trick, watch this. Pops right out, no mess. All right, now we're just gonna mix almost all the ingredients. I'm gonna put about a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put this, about a pound of mozzarella. And I had some Italian parsley. I'm gonna chop it up really fine and throw it in, which will give the chopped meat a chance to cool off. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all mixed up. All right, it's all mixed in. First step is you cut each sheet in half. I am going to line a baking sheet. This is 13 by 9, something like that. And I'm just going to ladle sauce, a nice amount of sauce. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to do is make a cannelloni. I'll show you. Okay, watch this. A nice amount. Put it cut side down. And then just do one at a time. Let's go. I'm gonna fill the rest of them up. Okay, I got the oven preheating at 350. Now, next, again, all you do is the sauce over every one. I made, with that amount of stuff, I made 18 Manicotti. So now, here comes the fun part. I am going to put, again, flavor, all right? And this is that fresh mozz that we all love. And I'm going to shave it all over this, wrap it, and pop it in the oven for about a half hour, all right? And I'll show you what it looks like, because then there's one more step. Okay, that was 30 minutes. Now let it sit so it all comes together. Listen, you got to try this one. Your family's going to love it, and you'll have lots of leftovers. So you can eat this and a salad, you're done. I hope your family loves it as much as mine does. See you next time.